Update on my 86 90 Nissan 720. I went ahead and took the camper off, and I bought some new rims and new tires for it. So actually I got the rims out of the junkyard and tires from Walmart, and they don't look too bad. They actually worked out pretty good for tires you find in the junkyard, the rims you find in the junkyard. They seem to have the correct offset. They're 16-inch rims up from the 15-inch rims that I had on there originally, or maybe even 14-inch rims, I can't remember. But they are off of a Honda Passport, like a 95, the SUV that Honda had initially. And the tires are from Walmart, a little off-brand. I can't remember what they are, but they'll be in the show notes or in the description box below. So it turned out to be pretty good. I wasn't sure if I should leave the hubcap on or take the center cap off. When I found them in the junkyard, there was only 3 center caps. So I had made my mind up if I'm gonna find the 4th center cap or not. Hadn't made my mind up either if I'm going to lower it any more than it is.